Welcome back to my channel. Today you will learn how to make this beautiful abstract wallpaper in Photoshop. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. First, create a new file. Width is 2332 and height is 1311. Resolution is 300 pixels. Now, we will make a decent background. For this wallpaper, go to Effects and select Gradient. Double-click to open Gradient Editor, use Basic Pattern. For left corner color, use this color code. You can use any color, but if you want to create same effect like mine, then use these colors. I added another color at position 30. For right corner color, use this color code. Then click OK. Gradient style is radial, angle is 12. Activate reverse option and click OK. Delete this background layer. Now, create a new layer. Use Pen tool or press P on your keyboard. I will use this to make a perfect triangle shape. Fill color is black and stroke is off. Using this image and pen tool, I will make a triangle shape. Next, hold Shift and rotate it downward. Press Ctrl+J to copy, drag it to the right. Press Ctrl+J to copy, drag it downward. Make another copy and rotate it to adjust in between shapes. Again, make its copy. Rotate and decrease its size. Place same shape on the other side. Now, hold Shift to select all these layers. Press Ctrl plus G to group, press Ctrl plus T to adjust its size. Then, press Ctrl plus A, and align it in the center, by clicking on Alignment options at the top. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect. Now place your image, go to Edits and place Embedded. Adjust it and click OK. Right-click on Image Layer and Create Clipping Mask. Here is the final touch-up. Double-click on Group Layer, and add Shadow. Color is black. Blend mode is Multiply, opacity is 75, angle is 125. Distance is 7, spread is 0, size is 7. Create a new layer, name it as Color 1. Use Brush tool, select Soft Brush and size up to 1500. Use this color code. Click here on left of wallpaper. Again create a new layer for color 2, this time use a different color. Click on right side. Next, hold Shift to select both layers of color, change their blend mode, from normal to screen. Add levels to image. Use these settings. Last step is to create a new layer. Press Alt plus Ctrl plus a Shift plus E. And add brightness. Now, go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. Select Movie Prime, brightness is around 81, adjust this flare as you like, and click OK. Thank you for watching.